fact, ladies and gentlemen, now at display. The farmers for the last 75 days, and if you take that one day of Republic Day, away from this entire protest, have been very peaceful. But one day of breach of trust is only adding to this entire process of mistrust, a vicious cycle where both the protesters and the police now have zero faith in each other. All right, we are moving forward. Another important aspect as far as the farmers' movement is concerned, now the whole mobilization which is taking place on the ground in terms of the Mahapanchayats which are taking place. And in these Mahapanchayats, now the political parties have also jumped in. Now, while the farmers are preparing for the Chakka Jam tomorrow, Mahapanchayats were held today in Rajasthan's Dausa and Uttar Pradesh's Shamli. In Dausa, the Panchayat held at Rajesh Pilot Stadium. Former Rajasthan Deputy Chief Minister addressed a huge crowd and gave a call to march to Delhi to join the protesting farmers. The Mahapanchayat is also being seen as such a show of strength in state politics. It is also very significant, ladies and gentlemen, because Sachin Pilot usually is seen as a Gujar leader. The protesting farmers largely have been from the Sikh and the Jat communities. Rajasthan also has a huge number of Jats. If Mr. Pilot is now trying to, get Jats also in the fold, that will be seen as a big strength for Sachin Pilot. Now, in Uttar Pradesh as well, large number of farmers gathered in Shamli for Mahapanchayat. It was organized by the Rashtriya Lok Dal. Hitting out at the Modi government, RLD leader Jayant Chaudhary said government will be responsible if there is any violence during the Chakka Jam which is going to take place tomorrow.
ऐसी क्या मजबूरी है, क्या व्यवस्था है आपकी कि आप कानून वापस लेना नहीं चाहते? मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूं श्रीमती सोनिया गांधी जी का, जिन्होंने 22 पॉलिटिकल पार्टी को इकट्ठा किया और तमाम विपक्ष ने एक स्वर में कहा कि हमारे आपस में मतभेद हो सकते हैं, लेकिन देश के किसान के लिए हम सब एकजुट से खड़े रहेंगे। इन तीनों कानूनों को सरकार को, केंद्र सरकार को वापस लेना पड़ेगा और वो वापस तब लेंगे जब हम उन पर दबाव बनाएंगे, और दबाव बनाने के लिए हमें जो कुछ भी करना पड़ेगा गांधीवादी तरीके से उस काम को हम लोग करेंगे।
Now go across to my colleague Abhishek, who is joining me with more details from Shamli, Uttar Pradesh. Abhishek, a huge gathering there in Uttar Pradesh. Largely, it also gives you a sense that while the Krishi Mantri, the Agriculture Minister in Rajya Sabha, in the Parliament today was saying that this is limited to Punjab, this Mahapanchayat gives you some sort of a sense how widespread now this is going across Uttar Pradesh as well.
Well, certainly, Ankit, and we have seen the reality on the ground. We have covered several districts of western Uttar Pradesh, and what is the sense is that the farmers are actually not convinced with what the government is saying, and that is the reason that the opposition has an opportunity to utilize it in their favor as far as the Panchayat elections are concerned, and of course targeting the 2022 Assembly elections. Jayant Chaudhary was here today. He addressed the Mahapanchayat. He said that the government is not addressing the issues, although they're adamant on their stand, and he also said that, speaking to India Today exclusively, that if any violence happened tomorrow at the borders, it is only a responsibility of the government. He also said that there has been a lot of, initial conversations about taking this law back, but nothing has happened, and that's the only reason that the opposition parties in Uttar Pradesh are trying to mobilize more and more farmers on this issue. And what the situation is that specifically in western Uttar Pradesh, they're also getting the support from these farmers who belongs to the nearby areas. So certainly it is going to have an impact. But if I talk about the whole Uttar Pradesh, it is not much talk, but western UP is certainly going to be the center of discussion for the protest in upcoming days as well. Yes.
Right, Abhishek, thank you for joining us. And as Abhishek was saying, Western UP is going to be in the center of the discussion. And this is where opposition also is hoping to make, to break the BJP stronghold, the caste dynamics that the BJP was able to create. RLD, which lost ground in the 2019 elections, is hoping that once again the Jat Muslim combine and other communities are going to back them on the shoulders of this farmers' protest. With that, we're slipping into a very short break. On the other side,
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.